So hi guys, this episode is solely for the Android users. So you guys are always like, I don't have space on my phone. So in this episode, we're going to be sharing 4 ways you can create more space on your Android phones. Stay tuned. So first thing, you want to know what's taking up the space on your phone. To do this, you go to settings and then you go to storage. Here you see a breakdown of all the apps on your phone and how much space they're using. So in some models of Android phone, you also see a button right on top that says free more space, or you see a button somewhere below that says cache data. Click on this and clear all data. When you do that, then you start to click on the individual apps. So for example, you click on WhatsApp, you click on Photos, you click on whatever apps you have on your phone. And then when you do this, you see clear data and clear cache. Now you want to click on that and take them all away. That's the first step. It doesn't give you a lot of space, but it does give you some space. Next step is to clear your WhatsApp media. So to do this, you go to your File Explorer. In File Explorer, you see storage. In storage, you see WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp, you see databases. This is where we are going to. In your databases, you see a lot of folders, most of them or all of them with the name messagesstore.db. Now I want you to delete all of this. It will have no effect on your WhatsApp whatsoever, and it will give you a considerable amount of space. What's in it, if you're curious, it's all your sent files. So it's not the files that you received and you saved in your media. It's everything you have sent to other people. WhatsApp saves that and stores them in these folders. Okay, down to the next step. So step number 3 is to move all your data and photos to an external storage. So now there are 3 ways of doing this. First of all is the typical way, which is to move them to an SD card. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this. The next way is the old-fashioned way, which is to connect to a USB to your laptop and move everything there. So once you've moved your files, your photos to a laptop, you want to make sure that you delete the local files. That is, you delete the copies on your phone. This is what is actually going to give you space. So now the next way you can do it is to move to a cloud-based service. So thank God we're in 2018 and there's a lot of free cloud-based services, and all Android phones come with free Google apps. So you can move your photos and your files to your Google Drive or to Google Photos. So you simply just go to Photos and then you share with Google Drive or Google Photos. Remember, once you've shared with Google Drive or Photos, make sure to delete it on your phone. That's where the space comes from. And now last but not least, this is a sad little tip, but it's to restore to factory settings. So if you've tried everything and nothing works and your phone still has insufficient space, you restore to factory settings. When you do this, it's going to go back to how your phone was in the beginning. So before you do this, make sure you move your old stuff to your laptop, like I just said, and then you restore to factory settings. One more bonus tip is if you want to delete certain apps from your phone, make sure you go to settings and storage and then uninstall the app. If you just go to your home screen and you delete an app, that's just an icon, not the actual app. So there you have it, 4 tips to create more space on your Android phones. Did I miss anything out? Please share in the comments below.